Okay. Let's see, what did we look at? Was it ancestral origins or haplogroup origins?
Okay, we already check haplogroups origins.
Yeah,
and ancestor origins.
And did we do
anything? Map or?
Yeah, we should look at maps. I don't know which is better.
Okay, migration map. Let's see the.
Let's look at migration maps.
Okay, just needed some technical.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the migration map. Yo.
Okay, so that's that begins in Sudan.
Begins from the Africa. Oh, my ancestors are black.
Yemen, and then
Yemen, yeah.
and then South India. And then it goes to Southeast Asia, and then it goes north. To Northeast Asia and to Japan.
Yes.
Okay.
You're right. And map also shows that. So it's a...
Let's see. Do they... there's a frequency map. Can we take a look at the frequency map?
Okay, let's see the frequency map. Yes.
BJ, you see where the arrows are?
Arrows, here is a one...
That would be your haplogroup appears in these regions where there are arrows. So let's check maybe Siberia first.
Siberia, okay.
And what's the percentage in Siberia?
Here is D, and here is only
0.81%. Okay. Then we see it in Kazakhstan. What is the percentage in Kazakhstan?
D, okay. This is a 1.52%.
Okay. And then what about in the, what do we see in...
Another is Asia.
Yeah, in Northeast Asia.
Yeah.
What do we see in Northeast Asia?
Okay, this is a 14.1%.
Okay. Okay, that is very good. And we won't find them anywhere else.
I think...
no, because it says your haplogroups appear in these...
These area.
Yeah.
Totally Asia.
Yeah, okay. Can we go back? Because I...
Okay, let's back.
And... yeah.
Let me see somebody
matches,
there.
Yeah, matches. If you have any relatives.
Let's see the somebody. Come on. Oh, no matches found.
No matches found, okay.
Oh my god, nobody is. I'm so unique.
Yeah.
So unique.
But this doesn't mean you can have two people in the same haplogroup, but still you don't have a Y chromosome match if there is genetic distance.
Okay.
So, we can still see long ancestry that goes back maybe 500, 1,000, 2,000 years. We can see that from this connections from here, but there's nothing.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Okay, next, what do you want to see?
Okay, I'd like to see mitochondrial DNA, that's your mother's.
Okay. Yeah.
And how about migration maps, maybe? Or haplogroup origins, one of the two.
Okay, let's go from the migration map.
Okay.
This is my mother's migration map.
Okay, so it starts in eastern Turkey, Eastern Turkey or Western Iran, and then it goes across Kazakhstan and across Mongolia, and it comes to northern China.
China,
Korea.
Korea,
Yeah.
this area.
Okay, let's look at the frequency map.
Okay, let's see the frequency map.
Okay, so
Oh.
there are only two places where we have
Yeah.
arrows.
Yeah, only two places.
Let's look in,
Japan.
let's look in,
Okay, let's see the Japan. What percentage here? Okay, 10%.
10%, that's not
Yeah.
bad, for North China, Korea, Japan. Okay. Now, what about Melanesia,
Melanesia.
Solomon Islands,
Okay.
Papua New Guinea?
Yeah.
How much is that?
Wow. This is 16.4%.
16.4%. That's
Oh my god.
okay.
Uh,
Your
I thought.
Oceania, that might come through your mother.
Yeah.
Could.
But I watched some video from this area's people. They are a little bit dark.
They are.
Yeah.
They're very dark.
Yeah. But my mother is like me.
Yeah.
She's,
well, we
fairly
need to
white.
test your mother.
Yeah.
We need to test her. But mitochondrial DNA do not make up much of the human body, and their purpose is not skin color. Mitochondrial DNA, the purpose is to help the cells make energy.
I see.
So it's not, the purpose is a different purpose.
Okay, thank you for your lots of kind information.
Okay.
We go to the other haplogroups origin. Okay, let's see my mother's haplogroup origins. Anything? Oh no, no matches found. No matches found as
Okay.
something, and might be there.
So that's unique.
Yeah, very unique. Oh. Okay, that's all of my my male line or my female line DNA testing result. So
Okay, and we looked at your autosomal DNA. So I think looking at this, what I am seeing is your DNA, your male line DNA is completely Asian. It's been existing for about
right.
50,000 years.
Yeah.
So, and it's in Tibet, and they said the biggest frequency is Tibet and in Japan, or this Japan, Korea, whatever. So, I don't know why there is nothing in between, but it's still very old, and it's pointing. Your mother's line is pointing to Northeast Asia.
Yes.
And then if it goes to Oceania, it's probably from Northeast Asia down.
Yes.
It certainly is not from Southeast Asia up.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking that your ancestors, your Magar ancestors, I don't know about other Magars, but in your case, your DNA suggests that your ancestors first came from northern China, Korea, Japan, and then moved to South Asia, to Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, and then they moved to Nepal. And I think that it's probably in Nepal where you get your Dravidian blood. I think there must have been Dravidians living in Nepal from an early period. And in fact, there is at least one ethnic group in Nepal which speaks a Dravidian language.
You're right.
Yeah.
And also, I know about, I research on my linguistic way. So it will show the Dravidian. Nowadays they use the Tibetan people use Brahmin lipi,
Yes.
Brahmin alphabet, or it's gone a little bit changed, but it came from Brahmin.
Yes.
Or some Magar scholar also claim that Magar alphabet is also the same.
Yes.
So it's make a little bit sense.
Mm.
So how it will happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I really happy to know this kinds of research, and happy to know who I am little bit.
Well, I'm happy to know who you are too. You, everyone in the world is a mix, and you, I'm your academic advisor, but also I feel in my heart like I'm your father. And so it's now I'm happy because I know that my son has a mix of many different backgrounds.
Yes.
And me too. I have a mix of many different backgrounds, but it's the opposite side of the world.
Okay.
Together, I think we cover the whole world,
Yes.
except Africa. We don't cover Africa. What's wrong with us?
Yeah. I cover the whole
You're covering East Asia.
East
I'm
Asia.
covering Europe.
Europe. Yeah.
But we're not getting Africa. Something is wrong with us.
Okay. Thank you very much for your important time.
Yeah.
And
BJ, thank you for having me here. I really appreciate this.
yeah, I am so happy to with you, showing our results for audience.
Yes.
And we will make another video when my uncle's DNA result will come.
Okay, I need to say, you're using the word uncle in a Magar sense or a Nepalese sense. You really mean a distant older relative.
Yes.
Yes.
Very distant, because he's from my great grandfather's
Family
line.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult, but we are very close.
Yes.
Let's see my grandfather's relatives DNA test next time. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Yeah, thank you.